excited?
I feel beautiful. Tuesday at 10, only on W.
Bring it back, please.
Hang and Level, the picture hanging tool, available at these and other fine retailers.
Aspirin has always been a trusted name in relieving your pain. And now, aspirin brings you a new form of pain relief. Introducing Aspirin Express Pack, a fast-acting flavored powder that starts to dissolve instantly. Rip into fast relief.
Stiff neck again? Moving that fridge by yourself.
When nagging muscle pain gets to you, trust Rub A535 Extra Strength Cream for deep relief that lasts and lasts. Rub A535 Extra Strength Cream. Get your body back.
Hey, KFC let me build my own variety bucket. So I got hot wings for you, original recipe for you, and crispy strips for you. Give your family what they want with KFC's new Build Your Own Variety Bucket. You choose 3 of 6 KFC favorites, like original recipe, crispy strips, popcorn chicken, hot wings, chicken fries, and potato wedges. The choice is yours. Taste living at KFC. Try our popular Fun for One. What if I told you? Would you believe me? I was the only one not paying you.
With Tresemme Flawless Curls, you get salon-inspired, salon-quality products. For stylized curls that look like a splurge.
You're
At a price
silly.
that feels like a steal.
You're just silly.
Tresemme Flawless Curls.
That's hilarious.
What's on next?
Now you're a funny bird.
On W.